Hey, puppy, puppy, puppy.
The stare down.
Puppies. This beautiful Dazz Kennels, more of the Mac Truck, bred to Dazz. Mac Truck is a Blue Label son, Romeo and Marcelo grandson. Dazz, she's a Prince Dazz daughter, which is Corrupt's little mate brother. Check us out at www.mylifeisbd.com. Click on the link that says Kennels. Don't forget, before you leave, check out my fashions page, clothing line. We have t-shirts, jeans, pants, for men, women. We have accessories, pocketbooks, everything. Check us out. www.mylifeisbd.com. Not only do we have dolls, but we have clothes as well. Anything you'll get from us is going to be high quality. Thank you.